Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to share WhatsApp status on Facebook. First, you need to open your WhatsApp application, then click on updates here. Let's click on my status here. This is our status. Let's click on one of them like this one. Here we have Facebook and Instagram, but we want to share the status on Facebook. First, you need to have your Facebook connected to WhatsApp. Then you'll need to click on the Facebook feature to share the status. As you can see, the status is shared on your Facebook story. Let's check our Facebook story. Open the Facebook application. This is our story, your story. So this is the story we have shared and this one. Guys, that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, press the like button, comment, and see you in the next one.